Hey, morning gang, Geezer here. It's been a couple of weeks, maybe 3 now, since I put the vinegar in the hot water heater. Got busy doing other stuff, and then storms came, and you know how it goes. One thing led to another, so I'm just now getting back to it. Sounds good, it sloshes around in there a little bit. So what I got is I got a long air line down in there. I'm agitating the vinegar in the bottom, getting it all stirred up good, and hopefully breaking up some more particles. So I'm doing it in the hot water line for a little while, then the cold water line for a little while, then I'll try draining it. Well, seems to be working. That air coming out all the open lines. I can hear it sloshing around good in there. Guess we should have a little look at the drain and see what's going on, huh? So, let's take a look. Drain, where art thou? There it is. Let's go see. Oh yeah, got a bunch of lime junk coming out of it. Looking good. Looking good. We'll stir it up some more, and then when it gets all drained out, I'll hook a hose to it and flush it good. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I got the drain pipe loosened. I'm going to whip the drain pipe out and see if I can stuff the air hose in there before it all drains out and give it a little blow from below. I don't know if that'll work or not, but if it don't, at least it'll get drained. Alright, looking good. Boy, that cleaned her out, got her flowing. All right. Now, I guess all that's left is to hook a hose to it and flush it good. All right. We got the old garden hose hooked up to it. Units are flushing out now. You can see it up there. Still getting some junk out. So I think I'll stick the air hose back in there and blow it around a little bit while it's doing that. So far, I'm going to call this a success. Then I just got to leave it sit out in the sun for a week or two and get good and dried out. And it's got some water in the insulation and stuff from sitting out here in the rain. Get a leaky here. Little leaky, go away. Now, let me move you over here. When I turn the air hose on, it really comes out of the drain there. Pretty cool. I'm going to do that some more. Put this stopper back on, let it fill up a little bit. There we go. Looking good. Hand tight will do. It's going to build up some water inside of it. So, looking good, huh? So far, so good. All right, let's give it the final drain and see what we got. Well, I think we're good. I'm going to call it good. We'll call that good. I'll let it drain real good, then I'll wheel it over into the woodshed for the summer and let it dry out real good, get the insulation all dried out again. So I won't need it till the fall. If I get the propane tankless heater working, I'll have it for the summer. If not, I got the other one in the house. I can just switch the electric back on if I need to. But I got all the parts on order now, I think, for the propane heater. So, and found 2 40-gallon tanks, so that should work. So we'll just see how it goes. Okay, end of the hot water saga. See ya.